Dear students, in this video I will talk about what is cube root of unity. We can express it like cube root of 1. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हम क्यूब रूट ऑफ यूनिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स में जब हम स्टडी करते हैं तो हमें इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Here we can say there are 3 cube roots. Okay, first is 1 omega and omega square. Okay, omega 1 omega and omega square. 1 is real and omega square are imaginary roots. ठीक है, ओमेगा इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? OMEGA, omega. What is the value of omega? ओमेगा की इसको मैं यहाँ लिखती हूँ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 1 denoted by 1 omega and omega square. We can write it as its value -1 plus iota under root 3 by 2 and omega square -1 minus iota under the root 3 divided by 2. Now what is product of cube root of unity? If we multiply these 3 roots, 1 multiply omega and omega square is equal to 1. We will put its value here, multiply -1 plus iota under the root 3 divided by 2, multiply omega square is equal to -1 minus iota under root 3 close bracket close divided by 2. Okay, now -1 square this plus minus iota into the root 3 square. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, divided by 2 into 2, this 2 and this 2. Now square of -1 is 1 minus under root 3 and its square means 3. इसको हम बाहर लेंगे और आयोटा स्क्वायर. ओके, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, 2 2 into 2, 4. And we know iota square is equals to -1. Now 1 minus 3 minus 1 divide 4 minus minus plus. And 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 4 is equals to 1. यहाँ पर 1 है, ये 1. 3 into 1 3 and 3 plus 1 4. Now we can write 1 into omega square is equals to 1. Product of these three cube root of unity is 1. Now sum of cube root of unity. अब हम इनका सम देखेंगे, इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी. यहाँ पर हमने प्रोडक्ट किया मल्टीप्लाई से, और अभी हम सम करके वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. 1 प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर. 1 प्लस ओमेगा की वैल्यू क्या इसमें पुट करेंगे, -1 प्लस आयोटा √3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 प्लस -1 माइनस आयोटा √3 divided by 2. Okay. -1 plus -1 इसको कॉमन लेके -1 प्लस आयोटा √3 एंड इसको एक साथ में लिखा हमने. यहाँ पर -1 माइनस आयोटा √3 एंड divided by 2. This and this will be cancelled. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 and divided by 2. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we can write 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. Means sum of these three cube root of unity will always be 0, and product of these three cube roots of unity will remain 1. This is an important result. I hope this video will help you in study. Thank you.